Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
We how much this year? Indigence, no? Yeah, how much were you? 7? 5? A 5?
Yes.
So I want to take this opportunity to say happy birthday to Abiel Mary. Now people she born on the 29th of February. I want to know say that's a leap year. Every 4 year, you know what I mean, her birthday come. Last year was her actual 28th birthday, but she has celebrated today on the 28th of February. It's gonna be her 21st birthday. So that's why your brother asks her, say she are actually how much, and she said 5, right? So we know how that goes. So to everybody else who are born on the 29th of February, happy birthday to you as well. And big her up one more time. You know what I mean? And just send her some birthday wishes in the comment section. Now people may also have a video from her father. You see me, I say Buju Bantan himself, he post this yesterday and it a circulate, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna take a look at this here, what am I say?
My love for you supersede all that this world has to offer. I will not join the other entertainers and trick you. I will not lead you down a path of destruction. I've always been sincere and true to you, my people. A lot of people are benefiting by touting and pushing my people down to a path that is totally destructive. Here in Jamaica, here in America, I don't care. My life is not mine. It has never been. So hear me, my people. While I'm here with you, stand up, you know.
Yeah, people, so now hear what the Rasta man said. The Rasta man a call, you know, and so if you stand up and don't be fooled. But next video, my phone up people, it's Beenieman and Jack Cure. I never see that link up here, but apparently the two were friends or are friends for a while now. You see me? Because Jack Cure say, if you don't know it, everybody say Beenieman have no phone. Even when they see Papi make fun of him and I say Uncle Beanie get a phone finally. So the thing in the industry is Beenieman have a cell phone, right? But they must say him finally get a phone after 13 years. So Jack Yor go show with the phone. Here is the video. Beenieman and Jack Yor. Take a look at this.
See that? Yeah, they pan it. Blow phone. Cheapest phone.
Yeah, cheapest. Yeah, worry about phone.
See him? Yeah. See, 13 years after I use phone.
My friend, listen.
They're going to do like him.
I'm going to check. None at all. Man, disrespect me. War.
Yeah. You know me love him. You know, so me not see my road and pass him. Nowhere. Where?
My friend in the car. We are bad people.
Which friend? A brother thing.
Legend.
Yo, look at Melody. Melody. Yeah, that's cool, man. We are here. I love time to see I say, look at my brother, man. I'm not alone, you know. I guess so. I did. Yeah, right now. Why you always watching the video? Right side. You see,
Yeah, people, so when you see the link up the Beenieman and Jack Cure, you see me I say, I think about it and I wonder if they do not tune together. But I can't remember if Beenieman and Jack Cure doing not tune together. I know Jack Cure and Sizzla and Beenieman and a lot of other people have sung, you see what I say, but I can't remember that. If you don't remember or if you don't know, you tell me. But people next month show on Richie Stevens. So Richie Stevens have one sea creature you saw when him say a sea fall. You don't know what still, but when you see this, take a look.
What is Richie? This one called a sea fall. Sea fall? Sea fall. You know what I know? It's nice with rice. Some people say dumpling.
Remember to the other side right there?
To the other side, yeah.
Jaja.
You see it? Yeah, them thing, yeah. It's for those of who know about the sea. Them things are delicious, but you have to know how to prepare it. See?
Sea fall.
Sea fall.
So you have sea puss and you have sea fall.
Yes, I. It's a serious thing.
And you have lionfish.
Lionfish.
And dogfish.
Yeah, people, so when the sister is a stingray, if you don't know what kind of stingray I want to know nothing about that, I want to tell you down in the comment section. But next, people, I have a video from Shani B, and he might end us one song from an artist named Yaksta from out of St. Mary. And the artist just dropped the music video, people, on YouTube. Hot, me I tell you. That song, yeah, I genuinely love that song, yeah, so me I say. So Shani B, I got to take away the rest of the video. I introduce the song. Here goes.
I want you to listen to this artist. Now, last year when I was in Jamaica, he got the opportunity to come and do a freestyle session at Big Yard. And when he got the call, he was literally farming at the time. He said, Shuni, I came in the same shirt, in teeth and bridge and hat, put on the hat, and he performed these socks off, bruv. Trust me. Serious artists from the same parish of Jamaica that Capleton comes from. And if you're a dancehall fan, you should have known where St. Mary him come from. So he comes from the parish of St. Mary. But the lyrical content on this song, for me, is so important. Every opportunity that I get to play this song, I'm going to play this song. Trust me. His name is Yakster. It's called Ambition. And if you are looking to build yourself in life, if you want to make something of yourself in life, and it's not about vanity for you, it's about saving for your family. The lyrics on this song is so important. I can't say it enough. Just check this. Fresh on One Extra. Listen song. Listen song. Listen song. If you love nice things but don't have money in your bank.
Excuse me, no pagans. Now seek validation. Growth and admiration. From you know your patrons. Boasting about name brands.
Chop.
But also over 8 grand.
Chop.
When we setting up the same one. With the cost of a straight pants. Why own a fire? With nowhere to park it. Why shop a Louis? When there is a target. Now me hype on my face. 2 minds me a save it. Them go friendly for trendy.
Chop.
Bank account is empty. Haters over markets. With my wife and the wife.
Who said pull up? Who said pull up? Who said pull up? Lyrics and words are so important in a song. Don't waste words. Don't waste that moment that you have got in 16 bars in a song. And this is about balance. Serious song. Then go Fendi for trendy, you know. Own a big car but don't have a drive for park it on. My word. Powerful. Yakster, Ambition.
Excuse me, no pagans. Now seek validation. Growth and admiration.
Splacker Belly. Splacker Belly. Chop. Chop.
When we setting up the same one. With the cost of a straight pants. Why own a Ferrari?
With nowhere to park it. Bomba.
When there is a target. Now me hype on my face. 2 minds me a save it. Them go friendly.
Deli Ranks.
Bank account empty. Haters over markets. With the wife and the wife. That's like a freedom.
Child supported little. Trouble Dede. Yakster is his name. Second verse.
If you are 50 and never make a bricks get used, means you're poor so your kids next to employment you use as a big excuse. You want him grow so him get you. Same 24 hours so what you have to. But your kids so good you buy them blues. One hand magic by their own tools. You keep getting belted. Lifestyle and more peace. Never know what you're with last name. So start supply Walgreens. Stop flat when you plant trees.
Stop large. You are you, sir.
And it's a baker me bill from a bullet.
Baker me bill from a bullet. Trouble Dede. Read up. Child support that little. Fire. Send him got a road. Listen lyrics.
Still watch how me spending.
Always.
9 to 12 40. Millions when them get big. We have a ranch and rent it. Young produce must plenty. Ice party vending. Each back cost empty.
Pastor go look at work. Fire. Style support it lead to. The lyrics on this are so powerful. Trust me. Vanity is a very serious thing, especially in the world that we live right now. It's so easy to get caught up into the latest trends that
we got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.